I watch our children cook. They are good cooks, but some tastes, some... I watch our children cook. They are good cooks, but some tastes, some dishes. It would be our honor to learn from you, Mama. Teach us.
The Achicha, preserved from the last harvest. It holds the strength of the earth.
May the memory of our grandmothers guide your hands. May this taste of the past nourish.
This required strength. The Achicha does not give up its power easily. Every step is important. Cleanliness is the first flavor.
So the Achicha is not boiled, Mama?
No, it is the last to enter. It is the one that gives the command.
To revive a piece of our soul, the whole village must lend a hand.
Good. The body is ready. Now, we create the spirit.
Must boil until it is soft enough to yield.